Hi viewers, welcome to World of CNC. This is slide number 43. Before watching this, kindly support and subscribe the channel. In this we will see the methods of pocket milling operation with Mastercam software. Pocket milling is the process of removal of material inside an arbitrarily closed boundary on a flat surface of a workpiece to a fixed depth. So this is a diagram. Generally, we will use flat end mill cutters for pocket milling operation like this. So this is the end mill cutter with 4 fluted. The number of cutting edges will be 4. First we will we will do the roughing operation and then we go for the finishing cycle. So we will get a better finishing. So these are all the methods: one way, zigzag, parallel spiral, clean corners, constant overlap spiral, true spiral, morph spiral, high speed cutting. So these are all the methods. So in one way, the tool path movement will be like this. So one direction only the tool will be moving and removing the material. In the zigzag method, both the direction the material will be removing. The tool path movement will be like this. In parallel spiral, exactly at the center the tool will be locating first. So every time the cutter is shifting for another pass, so the cutter movement will be like this. This is nothing but a parallel spiral, clean corners. So we will get a better finish at the corners also, so that we are selecting parallel spiral, clean corners. So this is nothing but a constant overlap spiral. The cutter tool path movement will be like this. This is a true spiral. This is just like a concentric circle. And this one is a morph spiral, high speed. So one by one we will see in the software itself now. So these are the parameters we need to set. First we have to select the tool. So what type of a cutter we need to set, holder selection, cut parameters, depth of cut, and then we go for linking parameters. So in the linking parameters, the final depth we are mentioning. Already we stored the different methods. So just simply click on the label. So already we stored, just to open the hyperlink. So once the hyperlink is opened, we will get the software like this. Now we will see the methods one by one. First we will see one way method. So this is one way. The cutter movement will be like this. Regenerate. Say the cutter movement will be like this. One direction only the cutter is moving and removing the material. So this is one type. And then we go for the second one, zigzag method. Just select the option, regenerate, backplot. In this, the cutter is moving both the directions. The material also removing both the directions. One is called up milling and another one is called down milling. So like that, the cutter is moving. And the third one is parallel spiral. So exactly at the center the cutter is locating first. Gradually it is increasing the pocketing size. So this is parallel spiral, and then we go for the parallel spiral, clean corners, the fourth one. So in this we are getting the better finish at 4 corners also. The next one is constant overlap spiral. Next we go for true spiral. So this is just like concentric circles. The next one is morph spiral. So this is the procedure for morph spiral. And then the last one is high speed. We go for high speed cutting, regenerate, go to backplot, just run it. So this is called high speed cutting. Now we have seen the black plot only. So actual simulation also we can see. The first one is one way. Go to verify. So this is a simulation. If it is high speed, like that we can see different methods of pocket milling operation by using Mastercam software. So we have covered 8 methods. So just go through this video and kindly support it. Thank you.